Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a signature spicy Bengali fish curry recipe using the Bengali Koi fish, and the dish is called Koi MacherJhal. Here I have 6 koi fish pieces which have been descaled, gutted, cleaned and are ready for marination. Let's add some salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, some mustard oil to the fish, and massage the spices into the koi fish pieces. Make sure that you cover the outside as well as the inside of the fish with the spices. And set it aside. Here I have 1 sliced red onion, 6 slit green chilies, 1 teaspoon each of crushed ginger and garlic. I also have 1 teaspoon each of cumin seeds, yellow mustard seeds and black peppercorns, since I am making a spicy mustardy jhal recipe. Let's roast the whole spices on medium flame for half a minute, making sure that the spices don't burn. Keep stirring them with a spoon and then take them out in a mortar after half a minute or so and grind them like I'm doing here into a powder. Heat some mustard oil in a cooking pan. Now we need to shallow fry and sear the koi fish on each side for around 2 minutes. Use a spoon to turn the fishes onto the other side as I'm doing here. They have got a bit of color onto them, and so we are going to take them out now. In the same pan, add the onions and the green chilies and fry them in the hot oil for 2 minutes. And then add the crushed ginger and garlic and fry them together for another minute. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it in. Then add the roasted spices into the pan. Fry everything together for another minute. Then add a bit of water to the pan and give it a stir. Add salt according to your taste and mix it in. Add the koi fish pieces into the pan one by one, like I'm doing here. Don't forget to add the drained juices from the fish into the pan. Let it gently simmer. Scoop up some of the gravy on top of the fishes with a spoon, like I'm doing here. Cover the pan with a lid and gently simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the lid off and check on the fishes. And you can see that the koi is beautifully cooked through and the gravy has dried up. Let's plate up this mouth-wateringly tasty Bengali Koi Fish curry. Garnish with a sprig of coriander and serve with boiled rice for a truly Bengali food cuisine experience. Koi is a legendary Bengali fish full of flavor and extremely delicious. This koi fish recipe is called a jhal since it is hot and spicy. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!